Look, you check your bank account at the end of the month, and you're like, wait, where did all my money go? You didn't buy anything crazy, no luxury stuff, or no big trips, but somehow your money just disappeared. And here's the scary part. It's not the big purchases that are killing your finances. It's the small, invisible expenses quietly draining your money every single day. Over time, that adds up to more than $10,000 a year. Yeah, seriously. My name is Ethan, and I spend way too much time thinking about money, spending habits, and financial behavior. If you feel like you should have more money saved by now, but don't know where it's going, hit subscribe. And give this video a thumbs up if this helps you out. Because today, we're breaking down 7 hidden expenses that are quietly making you poorer. Here's the thing. Most people think they have a budgeting problem, but in reality, they have an awareness problem. Number 1, subscriptions, Netflix, Spotify, apps, random free trials you forgot about. Individually, it feels small, $10, $15, but together, it can easily hit $200 a month. That's over $2,000 a year. And here's what most people don't realize. You're not paying for what you use. You're paying for what you forgot. Number 2, convenience spending, coffee, food delivery, quick snacks. Look, $5 here doesn't feel like much, but do that every day. That's over $1,000 a year, just on coffee. Add delivery fees. You're easily crossing $2,500. You're not paying for food. You're paying for convenience. Number 3, lifestyle inflation. You get a raise, and suddenly everything upgrades. Better phone, better clothes, better lifestyle. But here's the trap. Your income goes up, but your savings don't. That extra $300 a month, that's $3,600 a year, gone. Number 4, impulse buying. Late night scrolling, limited offer, only today. And boom, you buy something you didn't even need. It's not about logic. It's about emotion. Bored, you buy. Stressed, you buy. And those small purchases, they quietly add up to over $1,500 a year. Number 5, upgrading too often. New phone every year, new gadgets, new tech. Look, do you really need it? Or are you just chasing the newest thing? That habit alone can cost you over $1,000 every year. Number 6, financial fees, late fees, interest, ATM charges. These are silent killers. You don't notice them until it's too late, and suddenly you've lost hundreds of dollars for nothing. And number 7, this is the big one, not investing early, because every dollar you don't invest is costing you future wealth. Let me show you something. If you invest just $300 a month, over time, that can grow into over $170,000. But if you delay, you lose tens of thousands. Here's what most people don't realize. Your biggest expense is not what you spend. It's what you fail to invest. Look, you don't have a money problem. You have a leak problem. Fix the leaks, and your money starts working for you. If this opened your eye, hit subscribe, because here we talk about how to make money, keep money, and actually build real wealth. And trust me, your future self will thank you.